Did you hear it? Done. Hello everyone, welcome to Remove Pain Clinic channel. आज हमारे साथ आए हैं एक नेशनल फुटसल प्लेयर जो इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट किए इन futsal world cup. So he is very young but he has his own tricks of the trade in his foot. Unfortunately उनका lumbar spine में slip disc यानी disc bulge हुआ है, but it's a very minor thing. और कितना साल से आप भुगत रहे हैं ये?
करीब 2 साल, 2 साल से ज़्यादा।
2 साल से ज़्यादा. So how has that affected your game and your mindset and everything?
I haven't played any sporting activities from that injury.
From that injury. So what actually happened during that phase of injury? How did that happen?
Actually sir वो फुटबॉल खेलते टाइम वो गिर गया था सर।
करेक्ट. उसके बाद से चालू हो गया. सो इवेंचुअली व्हाट हैपेंड, वो गिर गए थे, फिर दिखाए, सब डॉक्टर्स को दिखाए एंड ही डिड एमआरआई. वी विल सी द एमआरआई, वी विल सी होल स्पाइन एक्सरे भी, और फिर हमको डायग्नोसिस ठीक होना चाहिए एक करेक्ट ट्रीटमेंट के लिए. तो हम वो सब देखेंगे और उसके बाद हम ट्रीटमेंट करेंगे. तो अभी उनका जो प्रॉब्लम है, यहाँ कहाँ पे दर्द तो नहीं है एक्चुअली, बट आपका एक स्ट्रेच होता है. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा हमारा व्यूअर्स को दिखाए. सो इफ यू कैन स्टैंड and turn your back, gluteal fold से लेके mid thigh तक एक strain आता है. So essentially whenever he slouches, ऐसा करके झुक के जब बैठते हैं तभी ये strain आता है. और इसके लिए please have a seat. इसके लिए वो 2 साल से खेल नहीं पा रहा है, इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट भी नहीं कर पा रहा है, एंड ही इज ऑब्वियसली अ नेशनल लेवल प्लेयर. सो इट इज ऑब्वियसली वेरी हर्टनिंग टू सी दिस, एंड ही हैज विजिटेड ऑलमोस्ट एवरी plenty of physicians, neurologists and the like, for to get himself all set and ready to represent India. So he has come all the way from Sikkim, Gangtok. So he is from Gangtok, Sikkim, and he has come all the way from there to Kolkata to get treated through chiropractic adjustment. So how did you find me? Through
YouTube, sir.
Oh, through YouTube only. Okay. So what we will be doing is we will first see the MRI and see where actually the problem is. So if you take a closer look, यहाँ ये हमारा उनका lumbar spine है, ये sacrum यानी tailbone है. हल्का सा एक बल्ज यहाँ पे है L5 S1 के बीचों बीच, राइट ओवर हियर. देखिए काला सा थोड़ा सा ये प्रोट्रूबरेंस जिसको बोलता है, जो प्रोट्रूड कर रहे हैं स्पाइनल कॉर्ड की तरफ. A look at the whole spine X-ray. You can actually see there is a mild scoliosis. माइल्ड स्कोलियोसिस उनका है. मुझे लगता है ये जो स्ट्रेच आ रहा है उनका राइट पैर यानी दिए वाला जो हिस्सा है, इन दिस स्ट्रेच इज बिकॉज ऑफ ऑब्वियसली मल्टीपल रीजंस, बट वन ऑफ द रीजंस इज अ क्रूकेड स्पाइन. सो वी विल ट्राई टू स्ट्रेटन द अलाइन द स्पाइन एंड ऑल्सो टेक केयर ऑफ दिस पार्ट ऑफ द न्यूरल स्ट्रेच यानी साइटिक स्ट्रेच, जस्ट सो दैट यू आर अवेयर ऑफ. उनका प्रॉब्लम जो है इज नॉट एक्चुअली पेन but stretch, and that's a very sharp stretch जो है यहां से like around the gluteal fold till the mid thigh. तो मान लीजिए करीब 6 इंच का जो हिस्सा है, it is extremely tight and taut and very stretchy, and that creates all the problem for him. उनका और जो दूसरा जो प्रॉब्लम हम एक्सरे में देखें, if you come over here and take a look, his spine is actually crooked a little bit, curved like this. ऐसा हो गया, मतलब ऐसा टाइप का उल्टा सी. So like this, ulta C. So we will have to straighten this part out. My favorite go-to to initially, get the feel of the tissue is this gun, percussion hammer gun from Hypervolt Hyperice. This always helps me understand the crux of the problem. अभी हम थोड़ा सा sciatic nerve के ऊपर से जा रहे हैं, बीचों बीच hamstring का. Since he is a professional, futsal player, I will increase the intensity by a little bit, and probably आपको आवाज सुन के पता चल रहा है differences. Please do remember, ये tip of the day जो है, जब जिनका भी स्लिप डिस्क या डिस्क बल्ज, डिस्क प्रोलैप्स, डिस्क एक्सट्रूजन, डिस्क प्रोट्रूजन, ये सब चीज हुआ है, उनका आगे झुकना मना है। अगर लिस्थेसिस है, एंटेरोलिस्थेसिस है, तो पीछे झुकना भी मना है। तो उनके लिए आगे झुकना थोड़ा मना होगा कुछ महीना, उसके बाद फिर नॉर्मलाइज हो जाएंगे और फिर खेलने आराम से खेल पाएंगे। आई डाउट देयर विल बी एनी प्रॉब्लम। We will do a little bit of active release technique at the juncture of the gluteal fold, जहां से basically sciatic nerve थोड़ा curve लेता है. So we'll apply a little bit of pressure on the nerve itself at the pressure point. Hold it here for a couple seconds. All right, relax, hold your hands. Okay, थोड़ा सा पीछे, look up towards the ceiling. Done. All right, but this is only lower half. Now we will be going a little bit on the mid T spine. थोड़ा सा नीचे ऐसे हल्का सा खोलना है. Relax. हाथ को पकड़ लीजिए ऐसे. पकड़ लीजिए, like hold it. Yes, there you go. And you can actually hold it like this. बस. All right. I bet. Done. If we see carefully, this is the right side, so थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे tilt है, so I'm trying to push it and realign with the lumbar spine and the cervical segment. So we will be going towards the lower T spine and the upper lumbar spine, this section, to push this back in. So by feeling, at least I can say with over 20 years of experience that I have, mostly abroad in US, I can understand the spinous process and how the alignments kind of gets twisted in three-dimensional axis, X, Y, and Z, like this. So it rotates, it slides, and it also goes like this. So I can understand that based on certain concepts that we have learnt in US. Okay, relax, long deep breath, and release. One more time, and last. And last, on one side, let's do one bonus. This actually made me feel a little better. It's not yet 100% correct, but what it was, it's a little bit better now, right now, ye karne ke baad. This is a new technique that I'm going to show you. Did you hear it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Other side, but at different segments. See, this side is you have the curvature, na? So that's why it's not going much. Done. It's very stiff this side because you have a curvature like this. Okay. Relax your leg. Relax. Done. Okay. And elbow close. Relax. Done. Hug yourself. ऐसे नहीं. There you go. थोड़ा सा पैर आगे, perfect. Relax yourself, relax your body. Done. All right. Okay.
Gone.
Damn. Awesome. So पूरा कुछ नहीं है, like zero या point
Somewhere.
कितना 1 2
Point 1, 2 somewhere.
so he is feeling out of like 8 on 10. So from 8 on 10 to 0.1 या 0.2 out of 10, which is like nothing, 0.1, 0.2. So that's fantastic. We will keep again treating. I don't want any recurrences, but I know he's young. He should be done in like 3-4 sessions possibly, and then he will go back to Gangtok. He will be under close observation and contact with me in terms of his targeted approach of exercises. और फिर शायद 6 to 8 weeks बाद एक बार आके दिखा देंगे. If everything is fine, green signal, go ahead, and then he will be able to play. So thank you so much, and I hope you again represent India and make us all proud. So that would be very good. And also please viewers, it's very kind of you to watch our video. If you or anyone who has pain, please give us a call anytime. We are kind of open 24/7 through WhatsApp, phone numbers, and other contact information which are in the link in the description. So give us a call, and then we will be happy to take care of you. And please don't forget to like, subscribe. That is a request from our end. If you do love our video, please hit the like button and do subscribe, and again comment and share.